this video, we will show you how to replace the air filter on a Honda generator. Before servicing your generator, always make sure the generator is switched off and that you've unplugged any power cords. And finally, as a last safety precaution, unhook the spark plug. To remove the air filter, first unlock the tabs and remove the air filter cover. And take out your old air filter. Take the new air filter, place it back into the air filter base. Finally, reinstall the cover. Make sure the tabs lock back into place. And that's how to replace the air filter on a Honda generator.